friends, this is how I'm gonna show you how to make this song. It's for live, and but to me, I just want to tell you that I'm London, and I wanna show how to make this song in a few minutes. First of all, I played these chords from this one, from first. And the second, I choose to use these snares. And I choose these songs. This piano is for purity. And kick only. So this one kick is on 4 bars. It's on 4 bars, as you see this 1, 2, 3, 4 only. And I can't play at all. So you can add big bass in order to make your song boost. Yes, thank you so much. It's me ndabatangiye ndi umunyarwanda. Ndabishimiye cyane ko gukurikirana channel. Ndizera ko ubikurikirana azabimenya bihagije. Ndabakunda cyane. Maximed. Boom. So thank you so guys. I love you so much and I want you to from me on Maximed TV. Ciao ciao.